If you find it difficult to create chord progressions, then this video is completely for you, because in today's video I'm going to take you through step by step how to develop interesting chord progressions, and we're going to do that right after the intro. Yo, the name is Gossa once again, and still the solution camera, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright, so the very first thing I'm gonna do is to change the tempo. Alright, so let's change the tempo to 110 BPM. Next, we're gonna open the piano roll. Alright, and I'm going to show you something first. So if you open your piano roll and you are not seeing this highlighted note, all right, you can see the scale highlighting. All you need to do is to click the piano roll options, then go to views, then go to enable ghost channel. All right, I want you to enable ghost channel first. Make sure this one is enable ghost channels. All right, then next, if you're not seeing this, just click on views, head over to scale highlighting, then I want you to choose any of these. All right, so you can actually go for the minor natural. All right, so you're gonna see this. Then next thing you have to do is to go to the same view, go to scale highlighting, then choose the key that you wanna play your beat in. So let's go for E minor, and you can actually see that we have white notes and deep notes. All right, highlighted notes and deep notes. So first thing first, for you to create interesting chord progression, all you need to do is to choose any of the highlighted notes like this. All right, make sure it is highlighted. All right, if you're able to choose any of the highlighted notes like this, then you are cool to go. All right, then for you to complete the chord progressions, after the root note, after the note that you've highlighted, you have to count 3 or 4, and it's gonna be 4 if you are creating a major chord, and it's gonna be 3 if you are creating a minor chord. All right, so this one, after the root note, we're gonna count 3 because it's gonna be minor. So right after this, 1 2 3, you can see the third note is highlighted. All right, so we're gonna choose that, and to add the last note, you're gonna count 4. So first you count 4 or 3 first, then next you add a 3 or 4. All right, so after this one, you're gonna count 4. So after this note, let's count 1 2 3 4, and you can see the fourth one is also highlighted. Then you choose like that. All right, to complete this chord, we're gonna do the same thing. After this root note, you're gonna count 4. All right, because this is gonna be a major chord. So after this, 1 2 3 4, and you can see the fourth one is highlighted. So you select that. Then after this one, we're gonna count 3. We've already counted 4, so we have to complete the chord by counting 3. So after this, 1 2 3, and you can see this one is highlighted, and we're gonna choose that. We do the same thing here. After this one, we're gonna count 3. All right, because after this we have 1 2 3, then we add, and this one you're gonna count for 1 2 3 4. You can see the fourth one is not highlighted, so in such situation you have to change the root note, the bass note. All right, so now we're going to change this one, then try the same idea again. All right, so after this we're going to count 3. 1 2 3, you can see this one is highlighted, then we're going to count 4. 1 2 3 4. Now to complete this note, after this we're gonna count 4. All right, so 1 2 3 4, and you can see the fourth one is highlighted. We place it like that, and the last one gonna be 3 after this note. 1 2 3. Super simple. All right, so this is how you can actually develop the chord progression. Now let's bring real instruments. I'm gonna introduce VST plugin, then we're gonna create the same notes. All right, so let's delete everything. Then instead of sampler, we're going to load the FL keys. All right, let's go to the piano roll options, the same thing. All right, so first thing first, let's do that. You have to choose any of the bass notes, but make sure it is highlighted. All right, so I'm going to choose this one. Then next I'm going to choose this one. Then I'm going to choose this one. All right, and let's choose this one. Super simple like that. And to complete the chord progression, after this one you're gonna count 3. So after this, 1 2 3, you can see the third one is highlighted, so you're gonna select that. All right, and to complete, you're gonna count 4 to create a minor chord. All right, so after this, 1 2 3 4, you can see the fourth one is highlighted, then you place it like that. All right, now let's complete this one. After this note, you're gonna count 3 because it's gonna be a minor chord. So after this, 1 2 3, you can see this one is highlighted. You select like that, and to complete the chord progression, we're gonna count 4. After this, 1 2 3 4, you can see the fourth one is not highlighted, so in this case we're gonna change the note. All right, like this, and we're gonna do the same thing. So after this, we're gonna count 4. Now it has changed to major chord. All right, so 1 2 3 4. All right, to add the last one, 1 2 3. Super simple. Let's do the same thing here. After this, 1 2 3 4, you can see the fourth one is highlighted. Then we're going to complete by adding the last note. After this, 1 2 3, this one is highlighted like that. Then let's fill this one too. After this, 1 2 3. All right, let's see if you're gonna get the 4 highlighted. So after this, 1 2 3 4, the fourth one is not highlighted, so we need to change the chord. All right, let's change the bass note and see. After this, 1 2 3, like this, 1 2 3 4, like this. All right, and to complete the chord, just place any note here and hit Ctrl+L on the keyboard, and you're gonna extend the note for you. Then delete this one. Now listen to the chord. I'm gonna change the tempo to 100 BPM. Now listen. So this is super simple. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Now, how can you make your chord progression more interesting? Let's proceed. All right, so to make this chord progression more interesting, what you can actually do is to press Ctrl and Shift key on the keyboard. All right, then highlight the middle note. All right, highlight the middle note of all the chords. Then you're gonna hit Ctrl+up, arrow up. All right, to send this one up like this. All right, now you're gonna make this chord progression more interesting. Listen. Now, for you to make this chord progression more interesting, all you can do is to add additional notes. All right, but make sure the note that you are adding is highlighted. So for here, we can add the B or the C, all right, or the D. Make sure it is highlighted. So I'm going to choose this one. Then over here, I can add this one. All right, then this one, choose any of the highlighted notes, but make sure when you play it sounds good. If not, change it. All right, so let's listen. You can actually add more notes, but make sure it is highlighted. All right, like this, to make your chord more interesting. So this is what separates the beginners from the pros. All right, so listen. To add your bass note, all you need to do is to hold Ctrl plus the Shift once again and highlight the root note. I mean the note that you started with. All right, then leave the Ctrl key whilst holding the Shift key and drag the note. All right, so you're going to duplicate the note like this. Then all you need to do is to press Ctrl and the arrow down key to create the bass note for you like this. You can send it more low octave like this. This is super simple. All right, for you to make this chord progression, all you need to do is to hit Alt plus S on the keyboard to bring this stramizer. And what the stramizer does is that it makes the notes sound realistic, as if you are playing it live. All right, so I'm gonna exaggerate the time over here so that you can actually hear what we are doing. So let's play as I play with this knob. Alright, so now you hear the difference. So play with this time knob here. Now after that, if the notes are extending to this section, you can actually play with this and gonna create interesting notes for you. After that, if you are cool, you can actually press accept or chop chords. Right, this is super simple. Then after that, hit accept like this. Now that you know how to create interesting chord progressions, watch the next video to know how to make your beat more interesting. Without wasting much of your time, turn on the notification bell, give the video a like, let me know where you are watching me from. Until then, do more music, come back for more. Stay blessed.